Four, 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 four. Let's sing a song of four. Let's sing about four. Don't go away. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Fat Guy Productions. I am Paul, coming to you as always from beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. And we are doing the fourth video on G-Fan's 1/64 scale structures for your diecast cars. So far, 1 through 3 have been a riot. I've loved them. I'm really excited about these things. I think this is a Starbucks, but I don't know. We'll find out when we open it up. So let's get to work. I'm very excited about this. So have you guys been liking these? Put it down in the comments. And if you have, and I see enough positive stuff, I'm going to give some of these away in the Christmas extravaganza this year, the 2023 Christmas extravaganza. So make sure you comment if you've been enjoying these G-Fan buildings. All right, let's get this thing out. You see, they were all boxed different. I don't know why, but I can't even tell where this opens or anything like that, so we're just going to have to figure it out. Okay, let's get to it. All right. Gotta be careful here, because I don't know. These G-Fan things are... Oh, look at that. Okay, all right, all right. It's a box and a box and a box. It's like one of those special nesting dolls from Russia. So the standard G-Fans box. Okay, beautiful. Squashed. But I have found so far that really doesn't make a difference. Oh, this is a 7-Eleven. I'm even more excited about that than about the Starbucks. Now, this is posters for the building. You can put what you want up in the windows. Okay, so you don't want to lose this. This is important to have. And we'll put that way over there. Here's your instruction card. Please tear off the yellow protective paper before assembly. They're talking about on the clear parts. So, well, actually on any parts that have their paper still on them. Oh my goodness. This is already looking amazing. Oh. Can you see what's happening here in the wrapper? I see the storefront, and I can see into the roof there. And oh my gosh. This may be the best one yet. This may be the best one yet. Now, I want to say that counter and cash register. I want to say that I've been having a great time building these. Okay, not just having them, but building them. Walls, you see the rack full of product, and so neat. The soda dispenser and stuff. Ooh, oh, look, a little damage. A little damage to my road surface. That's okay. You get like 80 million of these. Every one comes with one, and probably more than I need. Here's the big back wall. look at the shelving units. These are so cool. Oh my goodness. Those are neat. There's the storefront. Look at the storefront. Wow! Look at this thing. Here's the slots for the little posters. Oh my goodness. This is cool. This is by far, so far, going to be the best one of the bunch. More shelving units. Floor. Roof and the parking lot. Oh, and then, look. Let's move the parking lot away. And the little road piece. Put the roof down here, and then we got the little thing here. Okay, that in here. These look like condensers. Okay. All right, there we go. Here's all the parts, and let's see here. Okay, these are the glass pieces that go in over the posters. These are refrigerator unit things that go outside the end of the building. For detail. This is so fun. This is so fun. Okay, so let's go ahead and get jiggy with it. I know it's bad for the camera up there, but I'm gonna turn the work light up so I can see better while I'm doing this. Okay, so parts I don't need out of the way. Get the base. Okay, so first, I guess we want to put the shelves in. Need to figure out, I guess the shelves go this direction. Up in there, look at that. And I put that one in upside down. This is so great. They're chintzing. You know, it's got paper on the backs. I'm not going to bother peeling that off. I don't see any need to do that on there. Unless if you think the lighting of the building will kind of help illuminate the shelves, but it would just go through the top. I'm just going to leave it. Okay. So then this is the door for the end of the building. Okay. Let's put the back. Get the door peeled. Yeah, I have loved so far these things. First of all, they come out really, really cool looking. And second of all, they're a hoot to put in. Okay, now here the door is really loosey-goosey. Okay. So I'm going to put a little bit of CA on it. In, and there's the door. Okay. Yeah, I would say always keep a little CA around while you're building these. Just so you have everything you need. And see, like, I don't see a slot for these. Or for the little over the door thing. So I'm thinking those all have to be CA'd on. So, but hey, it is what it is. Okay, so I'm going to put this on. Wait. Freaking amazing. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at the detail stuff. So cool. Oh, where's the... I don't know where the little register piece goes, but again, that looks like it's got to be glue. It doesn't even show it on the instruction. So, I guess... I think the Red Bull and the Monster is going to go. Oh my gosh. How fun is this one? All right, now let's go to the end here. See, these came with stickers on them, so you can just use adhesive, stick them back on. Okay. Here is the 7-Eleven. Okay, so this is by far my favorite. Little challenging in the assembly department here for a second there, but absolutely, without question, my favorite right now. Okay. Okay, absolutely, without question, my favorite. Plugged in. Let's see. Looks like. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. I need my phone. I gotta get some pictures of this for you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, what I gotta do? I want you to be able to see this in the video, so we're gonna go parking lot. I'm gonna roll this over so you can see what's actually happening. Okay, so first of all, look through the end door. You can see into the store because it's a glass door. Okay, then if you look in the front, look at that. Look at that. The front wall lights up. The signs glow. The shelves are vivid. This is far and away the best one of the bunch. This is fantastic. I am loving this one. Oh my goodness gracious. This is the best one. But here's the sad news. The sad news is you're not going to get one. You're not going to get one for free at the Christmas extravaganza unless you comment on this video saying how much you enjoy these videos. I need to know that this is something that you guys want. I've ordered more buildings and I plan to bring them to you, but not if you don't want them. So you might want to comment on this video if you're liking this, especially if you'd like to see these added to the gift giving of the Christmas extravaganza. You're going to definitely have to let me know this is something that you want. If you don't, well, yeah, I don't know what to tell you, you know? I guess you just lose out. But this is fantastic. This is absolutely the best of the bunch. I am noticing that this parking lot piece is a little bendy. So what I'm going to do, watch what I'm going to do. I am going to try to use some 1, 2, 3 blocks to squish this back down. Maybe counter curve it. So we'll see what happens. Anyhow, I hope you loved this video as much as I loved the 7-Eleven. If you did, please give it a giant thumbs up, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss any of my G-Fan building builds. As always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Especially, do you like these videos? And do you want to see some of these buildings given away in the Christmas extravaganza? Put it in the comments down below. All right, that's going to do it for today. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I hope the rest of your day is phantasmagorically wonderful. And I hope it's as exciting as building this building was for me. I hope you have that kind of joy and excitement in your life today. All right, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Till next time, this is Paul from Fat Guy Productions saying, be good.